Hello friends, my name is Behroz and welcome to my channel where I share with you tips, tricks that I read, learn and apply in order to become my best version. This is part 2 of the video series on how to land a job by networking. In the first video, I talked about the 3-step process that you can make use of in order to land a job of your liking in the organization of your choice. You can check out that video using the link above. In this video, I will demonstrate as to how you can set up job notifications on LinkedIn. And more importantly, how to find and locate those contacts that you can reach out to in order to move your resume to the right desk or the right person in the organization that you are applying for. So you may get a solid chance to the interview as against being scanned out during the resume sorting stage. Because we all know that the most challenging part of applying for any role is the risk of getting scanned out during the resume sorting stage and not even getting a chance to reach the interview stage. And the steps that I will share with you in this video will certainly help you to reach the interview stage of the hiring process. So this video will have 3 parts. In the first part, I will demonstrate how you can set up job notifications on LinkedIn in the company of your liking where you have a solid contact, someone you know directly. Second is an attempt to build your network list by finding out who from your close network and close friend contacts knows someone on LinkedIn who currently works in the company of your liking or choosing. Third, finding out individuals who you can relate to who are currently working in the company of your liking, so you can simply reach out to them with a cold call. So now let's get rolling into demonstration of these 3 items on LinkedIn itself. Starting with number 1, which is the job notification. Go on the search bar and type the name of the company of your choosing or liking where you would want to work. Let's say it's Amazon. Select Amazon, then click on Jobs. Here are all the jobs that are currently in Amazon United States. Because here in location I've selected United States. You can select the country of your choosing, then select the experience level. So let's say for me the experience level would be executive. Show results. Here on company, go and choose Amazon. So it's Amazon. Job type is full-time. Click on all filters just to make sure if there are more filtering that needs to be done. I think there is one which I can do is, let's say, which job function am I interested in? So let's say sales. And now you can click here to set an alert, which means anytime there is a job opening of executive level in Amazon, which is full-time in sales function, you will get a notification in your email or in LinkedIn itself. Now we move on to building our network list. The simple and most direct way is to find if you have any contacts who are working in the company where you want to apply. For this, search for Amazon, then click on Amazon. And here you will find all your contacts who are currently working in Amazon. Click here. And then here you can scan as to who you would want to reach out in order to help you move your resume in Amazon. And then you can contact them either here, or if you have their contact directly, you can reach out to them through other means. Now the next step is to continue building our network list. So what we need to find out here now is whether our primary contact has any contacts in the company of our liking and choosing. So here I will first search for a key contact that I have, for who I want to know if he has any other connections that work at Amazon. Because I know this person has previously worked in Amazon, so he can certainly help if there is anyone working in Amazon US who he knows through his LinkedIn network. So this contact is my ex-manager Jorg Miner. So I click on him, I go on his profile, and then I click here which says 500 plus connections, because this will take me to his connection list. I go here and make sure to unselect first, because the first are already in your contact list as well. So I already know them, and I know from my first contact list that I don't know anyone in Amazon US. So I'll select second and third because I'm trying to reach out to Jorg's network, or rather those contacts which are not in connection with me, however they are in connection with Jorg. Then I will go and select the company, which is Amazon here, show results. Then I will go and select the location, which is United States, show results. So here are the 12 contacts in your LinkedIn list which work in Amazon US. So I can reach out to Jorg, requesting him to connect me with one of these contacts who can help me eventually pass on my resume to the right desk or the right contact. Another easy way is to go and search for the company again. Go on the people. Then select the location, which is United States. Here select current company, which is Amazon. Now go on all filters, and here you can add the connection. So in my case, the connection is Jorg Miner, who was my manager at Procter & Gamble and has also worked in Amazon Europe. So I assume, given he has worked in Amazon Europe, he may be knowing someone who works in Amazon US to whom he can refer me to, and hence I can use that contact to move my resume forward. So I did the connection Jorg Miner, show results, and here are 12 contacts that are in direct connection with Jorg Miner. Also, what I can do is I can select connections second and third, because the first connections are the ones which are also in my list and I already know them and I don't want to either reach out to them or don't think they will be helpful. So I only want to narrow it down to second and third list. And here is the list which is in Jorg's contact, which are currently working in Amazon US, and I can request Jorg to connect me to any one of them who he knows pretty well. Now the last step is to find someone who you don't know directly, but there are certain factors with which you can relate to them who are currently working in the company of your choosing, which is Amazon in our case. So you have a common factor using which you can reach out to them and make a cold call. So here we'll select Amazon, and instead of jobs we'll go to people, because we want to find out people who are currently working in Amazon who we can relate to. Location is United States. And here one common factor of relating to someone is a workplace. So I will look for people who have previously worked in the company where I used to work and now currently working in Amazon. So in my case, that is Procter & Gamble. So I'll go to all filters and say past company, add a company, Procter & Gamble, show results. So these are all the people who previously used to work for Procter & Gamble and now work for Amazon United States. We can also select Amazon in current company just to make it more cleaner. Yes, so here are the number of people. So what you can do is you can further narrow down this list by going on the filters. And here you can even add the connection of, like for instance, I know Jorg Miner, so you can write Jorg Miner here and you'll get all the people who are connection of Jorg Miner. You can write the school where you studied, and maybe there would be someone who has gone to the same school as you. Thank you for watching this video. Hopefully this video will now help you be able to make use of your network in order to land your dream job. Thank you.